Hi, my name is Kelly Schultz, and I'm a stewardship ecologist for the Lake County Forest Preserve District, and I've been working in the field of restoration ecology for 17 years. And what we do in restoration ecology is help restore the ecosystems. You know, a lot of these parks started out as preserves. Let's set aside nature and we'll be able to enjoy it for generations to come. And what they discovered was that the landscape was still changing, that even if humans aren't actively developing these wild spaces, we're still causing changes to happen with habitat fragmentation, invasive species, pollution, fire suppression, climate change. So humans need to get involved to help mitigate that, to help improve these places, to make them strong and resilient, and to keep species from going extinct. And that's what I get to help with. So that's really rewarding to know that the work is for a bigger purpose, that the environment is for everyone, and we get to help provide clean air with all the plants and trees that we're putting in. We know that our wetland work is helping reduce flooding at the surrounding neighborhoods. We know that we're protecting endangered species and helping to find ways to keep them alive and thriving in these preserves. That's super rewarding. I also like being able to get outside all the time, not sitting at a desk, and I get a workout on the job. And I also like working with volunteers, that having a team of employees around you is really fantastic. You can rely on them there every day. But volunteers show up because they care, because they want to be there. They don't need a paycheck. And so that positive energy is really energizing to be around. If you want to work in this industry, you'll probably want to get a bachelor's degree in something like environmental studies, biology, wildlife ecology, and then get an internship as soon as you can. Regardless of what career path you go into, get an internship so you can make sure it's a good fit for you. And also because you'll get to learn some things that you can't learn in school. Like my first internship was when I learned how to drive a tractor, and that's super fun. It also means that I can now lift a heavy load just as much as the person next to me because I have that skill. I've also learned to use chainsaws and do prescribed fire. So there's a lot of cool things you get to learn on the job. Also, try to volunteer when you can to learn about the ecology. We have restoration volunteers that help with seed collecting and buckthorn removal, so you could participate in that. We also have a youth conservation corps program, so we hire on crews every summer, and it's crews of high school students, and each crew is led by a pair of college-age students, and you'll get experience with planting in wetlands and building boardwalks, and also get some ecology lessons and get to tour places like Volo Bog. So that's a lot of fun. So you can learn more about our programs by going to our website, www.lcfpd.org. You could also check out places like Chicago Environmental Network or Chicago Wilderness. Look for the member organizations to see what other opportunities might be available near you.